Have you ever wondered how to become a super affiliate? It's a question that lingers in the minds of many, especially those who have just started their journey in affiliate marketing. A super affiliate is a top-performing marketer, someone who has excelled in their marketing strategies and generates substantial income. Imagine earning 6 to 7-figure incomes annually, with some even achieving this monthly. They stand out from regular affiliates by driving more sales and negotiating higher commission rates. But how does one go from being an ordinary affiliate to a super one? Today we will break down this process into clear, manageable steps. Firstly, avoid procrastination. This might seem like common sense, but it's a trap that many fall into. Time is money, and every moment wasted is a potential sale lost. Secondly, learn from your competitors. What are they doing right? What strategies are they using? By observing and learning from their successes, you can incorporate their tactics into your own strategy. Thirdly, utilize email marketing. Building a strong email list allows you to reach out directly to potential customers, providing them with valuable content and offers. Fourthly, focus on driving traffic. The more traffic you can direct to your affiliate links, the higher your chances of making a sale. Fifthly, promote products with recurring commissions. These are products that pay you a commission not just on the initial sale but on any subsequent purchases the customer makes. Next, test your marketing strategies. What works for one product might not work for another, so constantly refine and optimize your tactics for each product you promote. Finally, build your digital assets. This includes your email lists, social media following, and any other platforms where you engage with your audience. These assets are crucial for long-term success as they provide a steady stream of potential customers. In summary, becoming a super affiliate involves avoiding procrastination, learning from competitors, utilizing email marketing, focusing on driving traffic, promoting recurring commission products, testing strategies, and building digital assets. By consistently implementing these proven strategies and promoting high-quality products, the journey to becoming a super affiliate is not as daunting as it might initially seem. Remember, every super affiliate started as a beginner. With dedication, persistence, and the right strategies, anyone can achieve super affiliate status.